Aloha, I'm Captain Casey. Thank you for booking your Na Pali Coast tour with Captain Andes. We'd like to take a moment to share with you what to expect.
Please check in at our Port Allen office via our new self-check-in system. Simply locate our signs around our office, scan the QR code with your phone, and follow the prompts given. To speed up your check-in time, we recommend filling out the waiver you received with your reservation confirmation ahead of time. Only one person per party needs to scan to begin check-in. When the captains are ready to escort you to the vessel, you will receive your boarding pass via email or text message.
Traffic on our small island can get very congested. Give yourself plenty of extra drive time to get here for check-in. Our boats do leave the harbor as scheduled. We don't want you to miss the boat.
Hey! It's always barefoot sailing in Hawaii. We ask that you please remove your shoes and we will stow them in the shoe bins and have them safe for the duration of your trip.
Be sure to wear your swimsuit, bring a towel, cover up, and sunscreen. If you've ever experienced motion sickness, it's probably good to bring preventative measures. If you need any essential medical items such as EpiPens or asthma inhalers, please bring them with you.
As you move around the boat, be sure to keep one hand on a handrail and both feet on the deck at all times. A good rule of thumb can be to use one hand for the handrail and one hand for your camera, drink, or loved one. You're welcome to bring your cameras, but use good judgment on when and how to use them. The front of the boat can be wet and wild on any day. It's usually drier towards the stern section or in the cabins. There is a flat dash area inside the cabin for all of your stuff. It's the safest and the only dry spot on the boat. Everything else can get wet, that's just part of the adventure here at Captain Andes.
Our food service has been modified to fit COVID-19 guidelines, but rest assured, it's the same quality food you've been accustomed to.
At some point during the day, you might need to use the restroom. The only safe way to get down is to turn and face the ladders as you go up and down. Please use the handrails.
We will provide you with snorkel gear and flotation vests, as well as a briefing on what to do and what to expect while you're in the water.
To keep guests safe, all snorkel gear is thoroughly sanitized before each use.
Our boats are equipped with a swim platform that lowers into the water, but you're going to need to be able to navigate them safely on your own. Snorkeling is weather permitting based on both the clarity of the water and the surface conditions. Snorkeling is statistically the most dangerous activity you'll do while on vacation and may not be for everyone. You know your abilities. Full face masks are not permitted on our boats. New safety information shows that they may increase your risk of drowning.
On occasion, there are times when the wind and seas are just too much for an enjoyable trip along the Na Pali coast. If that's the case on the day of your adventure, we'll be heading for calmer waters. Your captain will be checking ocean conditions right up to the time of departure. We have lots of great places to go with smooth sailing, stunning scenery, active marine life, and amazing snorkeling.
Hand sanitizer will be available throughout the boat, and our catamarans are thoroughly cleaned after each voyage according to CDC guidelines, as we strive to create a fun, worry-free adventure here at Captain Andes.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to sailing with you soon, and aloha!